How to remove green screen in CapCut. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you guys can remove green screen in CapCut. So before we begin, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now let's begin. So the first thing is just drag and drop your green screen video and also make sure that you have a background available for it. So let's say this is my green screen video and I want to remove this. So what I'll do is on the right side here, you will see all of these options such as your video, animation and stuff like that. So you'll need to head over to this remove BG section where you'll find the chroma key. Tap on chroma key and now you'll need to pick a color. So the color is basically going to be your green color. So let me pick the color. So let's just pick this color, drag it and drop it. And after you do that, click here and there you can see the background of the green screen is already removed. Now you can change the size, you can do whatever you want, but the green color that was in the background will now not be in this area anymore. And that's basically it guys, and that's all for today's video as well. Thanks for watching, stay tuned for more upcoming videos, and bye bye, take care.